Hello everybody. I just figured I'd show you where I'm at right now. Earlier this morning I got this thing set up at top dead center once again, as you can see on the harmonic balancer. Okay, and I'm going to be pulling all this stuff off. Everything. The heads, the intake manifold, the carburetor, the coil, the cap, the rotor, the distributor itself, the radiator, the batteries coming out, the fan, the belts, the pulley down there, the harmonic balancer, the timing chain cover, and the generator. Because this car is going to be rebuilt. I am not scrapping it. I'm not giving it away for people that are dreamers and tire kickers and stuff like that. A 4-door can be made into a 2-door, but then again, there is nothing wrong with a 4-door either, especially when everything on it is stock. So that's where I'm at right now. The next video you'll see will be of the engine dismantled completely. All right, that's it for now. That's all I got. All right, bye.